Hello. This video shows you how you can take rooms out of use, for example, because they are being renovated. The video shows two different ways for taking rooms out of use, which are suitable for different purposes. Both methods can't be used at the same time for the same rooms. The first way to take a room or rooms out of use is to make a special type of reservation for the period the rooms are out of use. This method makes it possible to make guest reservations for the rooms for other periods, for example after a renovation has been finished or when new rooms are ready when a hotel is extended. A special reservation route is needed, so if it doesn't already exist, it must be created. Select Hotel Settings from the Hotellinx Cloud main menu. Select Common Parameters and then Reservation Routes. Press Add New to create a new reservation route. Give the reservation route a descriptive name and tick this box. This means that when this reservation route is used, the reservation is ignored when statistics are calculated. Press Save. Let's see how this works in the front office. You can make a special out-of-use reservation directly to a specific room. Select the period for which the room will be out of use. Use a descriptive name for the reservation and select the out-of-use reservation route. If you want to take several rooms out of use, change the number of rooms on the reservation and allocate the individual rooms in rooming. When you've saved the reservation, it shows as a purple bar in the front office grid. The purple color shows that the room is out of use. The other way of taking a room out of use is to do it in the room definition. This method takes the room out of use until further notice, so that it can't be used at all and you can't check guests into it. But the reservation history and other details remain in the system, and you can at any time start using the room again by putting it back into use. Go to Hotel Settings from the Hotellinx Cloud main menu, and then select the Rooms tab. In this example, we'll take 2 double rooms out of use. Press the Edit button for the room type in question. Enter the number of rooms that you want to take out of use in the Total Not in Use field and press Save. Then select each room that you want to take out of use and untick their In Use box. In this example, the rooms are 320 and 321. The rooms are now pink in the front office grid, which tells that they are out of use. In the availability view, you can see how many free rooms you have. The number of rooms that have been set to not in use in the hotel settings deducts the number of free rooms. The number of rooms out of use on special reservations is shown in the out of use column. Thank you for watching this video about rooms out of use. And don't forget to watch our other Hotellinx Cloud videos as well.